Hey, this is Joe with Sound Professionals. This video is going to go over some of the headset and listening device options we have for our Zoom kits. So first off, you have an option between headphones or headsets, which is a set of a microphone and headphones, or separate external speakers and an external microphone. We're going to save those for a bit later. So let's just go over headsets first. So headsets, the most common is the Andrea 185 VM. This is the most common headset we sell. It has some nice features. It's reasonably comfortable. It's got some foam ear pads here. It's got a microphone that drops down. You want to position this right near your mouth. You also want to pull back on this foam a bit and make sure that this white dot is facing your mouth when you're wearing the headset. The headset terminates to two plugs, green and pink. Green is the headphones, so the green is wired through this cable into the headphones here, the listening part of the headset, and the pink plug is wired into the microphone. Ultimately, for all of our Zoom kits, you're going to need these pink and green plugs because we need to plug the microphone into the Zoom device. We need to plug the headphones into the CAT computer for listening. The 185 VM also has a volume control and a mute switch. So volume, the wider part of the graphic is louder. So this will be max volume. This will be minimum volume or muted down here at the bottom. On the side here, you have a mute switch for the microphone. To the on position means the microphone is active. To the mute position means the microphone's muted. This switch is universal, so if you're muted here on this switch, your voice will not go to the Zoom conference or remote conference, whatever, and it will not go to your CAT software. So if you have background noise, this mute switch will help you get rid of some of that. Next headset here is the Headset Mini 2. Pull this out of the bag. So this headset has a similar function to the Andrea headset. Two earpieces, a little bit more cushioning on these. The microphone is also slightly more sensitive. Again, this headset terminates into two plugs. However, these are not pink and green. If you look closely at them, you will see that one here has a microphone symbol and one here has a speaker symbol. Hopefully you can see that. The plug on the left has a microphone symbol and the plug on the right has a speaker symbol. Same thing as pink and green. Pink is the microphone side, green is the headphone side. So this one with the mic symbol, that's wired into the headset microphone. The plug with the speaker symbol, that's wired into the earphones. Next headset here is the JBL Quantums. Pop these open. This is a larger headset, sometimes referred to as a gaming headset or a circumaural headset. It just means that the earpieces wrap around the ear rather than just sit on the outside. They are marked left and right. Microphone's almost always coming off the left ear. You'll notice this has a single cable coming out with a single red plug. That is because the box includes an adapter here, and this adapter will plug onto the end of the headset like so. Make sure you have it fully inserted. For example, this is not fully inserted. That is, make sure you hear that snap. And then this adapter will give you the two green and pink plugs that you need for the Zoom kit. This headset does not have a volume control like the Andrea 185 VM does. However, it does have a mute control. When the headset is in this up position, the microphone is muted. When you flip the microphone down, that unmutes the microphone. So muted, unmuted. This last headset here is also from Andrea. It's the A&R 1000. This is a partially folding headset, so the earpiece will lay flat. Again, it's got a microphone coming off one of the earpieces. Now this microphone can operate wirelessly. However, for the Zoom kit, you do have to plug it in via a cable. It includes the necessary cable to do that, which is this cable here. You'll find on the bottom of the right earpiece, you can take this cable and plug that in. Make sure it fully inserts. You'll hear that snap. Now this headset does not come with the necessary adapter for the Zoom kit to plug in for both headphone and microphone separately. So make sure to pick up a headset splitter. We call it our 4-pole adapter. I'll put a link for it in the description of this video. So those are the headset options, but like I said, you could use external speakers if you want. Ultimately, what you need is you need some way to listen to sound and you need some way to have a microphone to talk to people. The headphones could really be anything you want. It could be as simple as just a pair of earbuds, something you have that you already prefer. As long as they're wired earbuds, they will work. But like I said, you will need some type of external microphone. That external microphone could be like our triple M1 here. You can get this with an extension cable and just lay it on the table, or we also have little stands for them. I'll put links to some options in the description, so it could be a simple microphone like that. And then this would connect over to the Zoom computer, and your headphones, whatever you have, those can connect over on the CAT computer. You also have the option of using external speakers. So here's our speakers -2. You do have a volume control on the speakers themselves. You can turn that up or down, and then if you click all the way to the left, it turns off the speakers. You also have a headphone out if you want to use that. These speakers have two cables on the end with two plugs. You have a green plug, which is audio in, and a USB cable for power. This USB does not have to be plugged into a computer. It's just for power for the speakers. So it could go into a wall adapter like for your phone, so like one of these, power to USB, something like that. So you could take this, plug it in into the wall, and that could provide power for the USB. Or you could, if you want to, plug it into a computer, that's fine too. This plug essentially is like your headphone plug if you're using a headset. So this is going to go to the cat computer into the headphone port for your cat USB device. If you have external speakers though, you need to pair that with some microphone for the Zoom side. And you want to be careful because if the sound is playing out loud, it could get picked up by your microphone and then sent back to people in Zoom, which is why we recommend a special type of microphone called a unidirectional mic. That's what this device here is, the AT831SP. We hand build these in New Jersey. And they use a very special microphone here, which is unidirectional, which means it only picks up what it's pointed at. So you would wear this on your shirt, pointed at you. This would plug into the Zoom device for your microphone. This comes with a little clip, so you can clip on to the microphone like so, clip that to your shirt. Also includes a little windscreen that you can pop on the end to prevent wind sound. So those are the options for some of our listening devices. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can reach tech support by text at 609-491-2844. You can reach the sales office at 800-213-3021. And if you want to set up a phone appointment with tech support, that's calendly.com/soundpro. Links to everything will be in the description. I'm Joe from Sound Professionals. Thanks for watching.